The majority of Android phones come with a micro SD card slot that lets users expand the capacity of their phones. However, Apple never added this feature to iPhones, and there are good reasons for that. In order to ensure that users enjoy their products with little headaches, Apple prefers to maintain total control over them. However, SD cards have a number of issues. For instance, users have to choose whether to store files on the internal storage or the SD card rather than having the device manage them automatically. When a user's SD card is full, they must either cease using the old card entirely and stop having the data on the device, or transfer the data to a larger card, which can be a difficult procedure. Upgrading will be much more difficult by the fact that consumers have to manage their SD card data in addition to their internal storage when switching to a new phone. And that's an issue because Apple wants to simplify the process of purchasing new phones. Not to mention, it's quite difficult to just shop for an SD card. Users have to ascertain which ones work with their devices and how much storage capacity their device supports. Get either of those wrong, and you will be left with a completely non-functional SD card. Next is performance. SD cards are less reliable, which is a problem for a company like Apple that emphasizes the quality of its parts. SD cards are slow as well. When choosing a video from the SD card, consumers might be curious as to why it opens so much slower than videos that are saved internally. Additionally, because SD cards have a finite amount of write cycles, they may fail after a certain number of years. Apple does not want consumers to hold them responsible for the loss of their family photos. Additionally, the absence of expandable storage encourages users to select iPhone models with larger capacities, hence more profit for Apple. If Apple includes support of external SD cards, this will greatly affect their business model negatively in the sense that all users will buy the cheapest iPhone and slap on a huge SD card. An SD card slot takes up a lot of space, which Apple could rather use for things like a bigger battery or larger camera system. In the end, thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.